Hi everyone, hope all's well. Today we've got the Smart Tech back out here, the Hotpoint. We're going to do another brick wash today, but this time we're going to do it on a wall cycle. Someone on Instagram messaged me and asked if I can do it on a wall wash. I believe it was, I can't remember the username, but I think his name's Vlad. Sorry if I didn't pronounce your name right. I'm not the best at pronouncing names, but I think his username was the Beko Fan 2007. It was something like that. If you're watching, then this video is for you. This is the request that you asked me to do. Put the same bricks that are down there on the wall wash. I've also got a patio slab, I think it is. It's kind of like a square block that we can put in as well, and I'm going to put the towel in as well. So let's go up to the machine and load it. As you can see, the drum's obviously battered from when we did it last, and the bearings also They also don't sound great, but that's how it is. Let's put that brick in there. Yeah, this is the same one as last time, just with the slab. I might take that slab out depending how things go, because I don't really want smashed glass on me. We'll see. It's a bit of a chunky slab, so I might take it out halfway through the cycle. I'm not too sure yet, as I don't, like I say, I don't really want the glass to smash. But anyways, let's put that towel in to help it out a bit. I think it balances before it starts to distribute, so that's alright, I suppose. Let's close the door. That's the door closed. Let's put the detergent in. Detergent going in. Oh, that's a bit too much, but that'll do. Right, let's select number 13 as that's the wall wash, and we want it at cold because I don't really want to waste time heating the water. And I think we'll go. I'm hoping it won't take as long, seeing that it won't have to heat that water up to 40. It shouldn't take too long. Whenever I did the bubble washing, it didn't take too long to do this cycle. If that glass smashes, I think I should turn it off a bit quick, because I don't really want broken glass all over my floor. I don't know if it was really a good idea putting that patio slab in. But off the side of the video, I don't know if you can see where my finger is, or where I'm pointing. I'm going to do a higher water level once it's finished filling. I'm not going to film on the full cycle, just to let you know. This will just be a bit more like the last video where I check in and out and see how it's getting on. So it's just turned the water valve off so it stopped filling. We'll add a bit more water in, I think, to make it a bit more action, I suppose. So let me go and get that water hose off and I'll start filling up a bit higher. Sneaking under the machine a bit. Better put it out a bit, okay, it's kind of spilling into the machine. I prefer this a lot more to how it used to be, because when we used to do it on the faster of 30, it's a lot more quieter, which is good. I've also managed to level it up this time, as last time. Well, whenever I've done it on this floor before, it's always been a bit of a bodge with how I've leveled it. I think that's enough water now. It's been filling for quite a while, so I'll stop that and I'll reattach it to the fill valve out the back of the machine. Okay, I just missed it there, but well, you can see it stopped now. It does this pause for a little while, then it start washing again. As you can see, the water level is just up on the door glass there. It does this for a little while, and then it will continue washing, and then we'll be getting into the rinses and spins, because I don't think it spins after the wash, unfortunately, on this wash. I'll come back to it when it starts to drain, I think, as we've seen it enough washing, we get an idea of what it looks like. It's pretty intensive, which is nice, I suppose. Hopefully the bricks will get even more clean than they did last time. Well, they're already clean, so it won't make much difference, I don't think. Alright then, see you in a minute. Thought I'd just quickly pause it there because that was getting a bit loud and it was a bit too loud, to be honest. I don't think it would spin that either, and it was putting itself away from obviously the drain point. We'll try and make it more unbalanced than this, and the other spins of it will spin this. I think that's what we can do. We're draining for the spin now, so I suppose we'll see how it handles. It's not that unbalanced at the moment, but on the next rinse I'll try and make it a bit more unbalanced, unless the bricks move around when it goes back to distribution after this spin. It might become a bit more unbalanced. So I've just stopped it there because that big block, well, patio thing, whatever I put in, is a bit, I don't really want it in there. I think it's affecting it a bit too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that out if I can and start it up again, because it's a bit, I don't really think it should be in there, to be fair. Well, I know the bricks shouldn't be in there anyways, but it's a bit much for it, as I think it will smash the glass eventually. So I'm going to just take that out now, hopefully. So I've moved it back over. I think without further ado we'll hit the start now that block isn't in it. I don't know how many more rinses it's got to do, but it's actually leaking out the water inlet valve where it's connected, because what the connector I've used clearly isn't that good. It is quite old, to be fair. Hopefully it will spin that. Yeah, it's been alright so far. It's better now I haven't got that block in it. It didn't really like that too much, and I didn't really like it either. This is the last rinse up last. I've had enough now. I'm just going to let it get on with it. I know it's balanced, but we've seen it enough jumping for one day maybe. As I'll make it jump more in the future, and obviously we're going to destroy it anyway, so I'm just going to let it do its thing, and I'm sure it might get unbalanced in the final spin if it redistributes the load, as it often does, because obviously it struggles to get the speed back up again. Doing the final spin now, and that'll be it. We can have a quick look at the drum, but I doubt there'll be any differences, seeing that it's already damaged. finally we have finished. Well, not quite yet, it's still got to unlock and all that yet. In conclusion then, would I say this is better than the last video of the Fast Wash 30? Well, you can tell me what you think. I mean, I think it was alright. Did quite a lot of dancing, to be honest. I didn't really know what to expect from doing this. Well, I knew it was going to be unbalanced, but I didn't really know if it was going to completely destroy itself. So it's flushing end. Now I'll come back to it obviously when it unlocks, as I really can't be bothered to wait another 2 minutes as I've got things to do now. Alright, I'll see you in a moment. So it's just beeped. We're going to have a look at it then, and we'll wrap the video up for today, I think. As I've been filming for quite a while, we started at 4:30 and it's currently 5 minutes past 6. Bit of a joke, but you know, it's all good. It was fun. It's a fun video to film, but you know, towards the end it just got a bit, just want it to finish now. But you know, I enjoyed it. Maybe I'll do it in the future again, I don't know. Obviously, different wall cycles and all machines are different, but if I get an Indesit or another Hotpoint, maybe we'll try again. We'll remove the shock absorbers and do it, and see if we can get the glass to get a few more gashes, or make it hit the glass, I mean. Alright then, let's go and have a look. Not really much, too much to see, as obviously it's not going to be much different from last time. We're going to have to show you that towel's got so much brick stuff in it. Right. The paddles survived, which is a positive. I didn't think they would. I noticed on the spin it was making a bit of a funny noise as it was slowing down from 800 and kind of increasing to 800. I don't know why that is, unless it's something to do with the drum bending or if the spider's going on it, I don't know. But you know, it looks the same as it did. It don't look any different to me. Maybe a few more scrapes and gashes, but you know, I won't really notice that, to be honest. So I really do hope you enjoyed that. Alright then, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.